So we found a new hiking trail in a forest that's gonna take us to a viewpoint. Today we are walking on the yellow path, yellow trail. So our insurance company, we are not sponsored by it, unfortunately, made an app that covers all of the hiking trails around Switzerland, and you get the points once you finish the trail, right? So you can collect points and then cash out the actual money. There is an airport near this path, so we saw so many planes taking off. On the way there are cottages like this where you can have a barbecue with your family or whatever, with your friends, right?
Wow, it would be cool to have some barbecue here. Everything is frozen, but it looks beautiful. Just look at it.
There are many small animals that you can find on the way. I think I just saw an animal somewhere here. Oh, there it is. Is it a deer? Is it a fox? It's hiding. This trail is around 10 kilometers, 10.5 kilometers, which is gonna bring us around 100 points. That's 2 Swiss francs. So basically you can earn up to 2 Swiss francs per day.
So for these 2 francs you basically can buy nothing. So we're doing a great job.
Yeah, it's not a lot, but it's a good excuse to go out, and if it's not enough your health, right, you can say like, okay, I'm gonna go for a walk and earn some money. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's a nice touch.
I'm just kidding. It's so beautiful here, and the fresh air. And interesting thing that the whole forest is covered in moss. So even like now it's winter, it's February, all the trees and grass are green. Feels like summer.
Arrive to the viewpoint. This wooden structure is 41.5 meters tall, which is around 15 floors in a building if you would compare. And it's made totally out of wood. The view from the top is just breathtaking.
We are on the top of the world.
And we are done.
Oh, finally.
11 kilometers, 200 meters.
It took us 3 hours and 10 minutes.
And that's 900 calories.
Yeah, so I can wait to have some food.
Food? Yeah, I'm pretty starving as well. It was pretty hard, to be honest, especially because we are still recovering from COVID. But it was still pretty fun. The weather was beautiful, a little bit cold, but yeah, we came in prepared. Yeah, I cannot wait for the next trail, for the next trip. So, good job. See you next time.